Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add dark side effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project at the video that you want to edit, and then after this you can click on the effect at the bottom and then click on a body effect, and at the menu you can click on hardware, this one. Click on it and swipe down until you can see dark side effect, this one. You can click on it and click check icon. Now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the size, for the color, and then for the vertical shift. And then after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add dark side effect on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.